The University Hospital of Toulouse is involved in the CARDIOPATCH project co-founded by the Interreg Sudoe program. The goal of this European project is to develop a new regenerative therapy for patients with congestive heart failure. We coordinate a work package dedicated to the stimulation of the intrinsic functions of the stem cells. This task is conducted in partnership with the INSERM laboratory. We are developing genetically modified adipose tissue-derived stem cells transduced with a trisystonic lentivector, allowing to improve the therapeutic potential and angiogenic properties of the cell that will be inserted in a patch directly placed on the heart. The several vectors have been constructed with different combinations of genes and produced in the laboratory for in vitro testing on human stem cells. With the other partners, we will participate on preclinical studies to determine the best medical device, the biocompatibility, the transport conditions, and define the best method of implantation of the patch in humans. The final goal of the University Hospital of Toulouse is to contribute to the development of therapeutic patches and to design a first-in-man clinical trial. Our aim is to improve the cardiac function in patients with heart failure and reduce ejection fraction after myocardial infarction.